Fleas and mosquitoes are kind of rotten, but there's a little dock over there for some reason. We don't know whose that is. It must be the neighbors. It's like a good little boat launch place. There's a little sink thing, fish cleaning. It's a bulkhead here. I don't really know what this is doing here. Keeping up that tree, I guess. There's some other little structures here. I don't know what they're for, but there's a little gate, pelican. There's the view to the house. There's a little walkway across this culvert here. I don't know what this is down here. Somebody tried to build something. There's like a fence and stuff that goes all the way over there. Anyway, needs a little cleaning up. There's a cute little birdhouse. Big tree. You can see how secluded it is back here. Inspecting something over here. What's back there? Must be the well or